one of the biggest things I wanted to learn was how to connect with publishers and publications, because I think I told you a story. I submitted a very basic blog post that I called an article a few years ago, and I submitted it to a health and wellness publication. Never heard back. And once I started working with you, I was like, oh, I now know why I never heard back from them. Like, that was terrible.
I love that. So, that's a great celebration right there, is understanding what publications are looking for and what the real difference is between a blog post and an article. So congratulations on that. That's a great celebration.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.